is Gray, Director of Education at the IMAS, and I lead a team of educators, artists, and scientists who are all passionate about education. And together, we create educational content for over 30,000 school-aged children every year. In the past 6 months, the museum has provided free online content like camps, lessons, workshops, and lectures for our RGV community. These children and families have watched over 220 hours of educational videos. That's over 50,000 viewers. Today on IMAS Day of Giving, we are bringing art and science to life with a variety of virtual workshops and talks throughout the day. Workshop Wednesday Live is at 10 a.m. and is inspired by our new exhibit, Warriors of Light, by international artist Vityk. Learn about the advantage of being a mermaid with Brain Awareness Hour at 11 a.m. presented by Dr. Gerin from UTRGV School of Medicine. Grab a brush and watercolors for a watercolor landscape workshop at 1 p.m. with Kristen. Finally, we're going out of this world as you create your own NASA mission patch at 2 p.m. with Selena. Your $5, $10, or $20 donation to the IMAS directly impacts the lives of tens of thousands of children. Text IMAS Giving to 44321 or donate online today. Thank you for being part of this special day with us.